Here, the future of medicine is being written, where precision meets scale on a global level. Cleaned and sanitized raw materials arrive. Every container is scanned and tracked. Automated systems move them to processing.
The bone samples meet all purity standards.
Here, bone-derived ingredients are purified. They are blended with pharmaceutical-grade vitamins.
The raw materials have now been transformed into highly purified pharmaceutical ingredients. In Part 2, we'll discover how this fine
Precision is non-negotiable. Every microgram of calcium and collagen is vital, creating a flawless pharmaceutical.
The HPLC confirms 99.8% purity on this batch.
Excellent. The potency levels look optimal as well.
batch records are fully verified.
Here at Spectra Pharma, we're redefining what's possible, blending human expertise with robotic precision to deliver life-saving medicine across the globe. journey from carefully processed raw materials to precision-engineered pharmaceutical products is guided by science, innovation, and rigorous quality standards.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look inside a modern pharmaceutical factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on